Welcome aboard, riders. Thank you for riding Girls Here Steam Train. Please keep all hands and body parts inside the train at all times. Please no eating or drinking on the train. Thank you. Enjoy your ride.
Oh, that's you. Talking about you.
Hello everyone, welcome aboard. This is Linus Van Pelt. Remember to stay in your seat for the whole trip and keep your arms, legs, and blankets inside the cars at all times. We're on our way to camp. There's a lot to see along the way. Oh, there's Charlie Brown and Snoopy fishing along the creek. Good old Charlie Brown. Of all the Charlie Browns in the world, he's the Charlie Browniest. We're going through Sparky Gorge now, on our way to the woods and out into the wilderness. Good grief! Poor Schroeder! I don't think Beethoven ever had a lug luggage. Our sister Lucy has no idea what roughing it means. Scoutmaster Snoopy and the Beagle Scouts reporting for duty. They're on the right track. Hey Sally, hey Franklin, any luck catching butterflies? I read that butterflies start out as little caterpillars before building a cocoon and finally becoming a full-grown butterfly. Don't tell Sally, Bert. When Sally calls me her sweet baboon, I want to build a cocoon. Snoopy's brother Spike lives out here in the desert someplace, but no one has seen him for years and years. Oh, there he is! Good grief! Spike, are you holding that tumbleweed race out here with the cactus? The desert sure is a lonely place. There's Charlie Brown and his sister Sally in the canoe race. They're in last place. And they're the only canoe in the water. Of all the Charlie Browns in the world, well, you know. We set up camp right over this bridge. There's Charlie Brown's tent, Pigpen's tent, and there's my trusty blanket. Talk about all the
Welcome back, members. Thank you for riding Girls Here Steam Train. Please stay seated until the train has come to a fully complete stop. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your night here in Oxford.